So I have a 2018 Nissan Frontier. It's an okay truck, but it's small, right? And so the bed is only 56 inches and it's only 44 at the wheel well. So if you're actually hauling with it, that narrow bed a lot of times isn't wide enough. So I've cracked this thing in the tail lights at least 3 or 4 different times, loading plywood, bikes, and all kinds of stuff. Now mine was beyond repair, it was already filling up with water, so I had only one option of buying a new tail light. So 90 bucks later off of Parts Geek or whatever, I got myself a new one, but then I decided I got to protect that so it doesn't keep breaking again. For 88 bucks, I picked up one of these sets of tail light guards, which is going to make my truck look oh so tough. Not much to these things. They come, made of steel, and they bracket in through your headlights. So they came with decent instructions, the hardware, and everything you need to put them in. Popping the taillights off is pretty basic. There's 2 screws on either side of the bed that are holding them in, and then there's a little kind of little pop thing that you have to pop out to get them out. They come out pretty easy. Come with the bulbs and everything, so you just have to disconnect your old connectors and connect it to the new one. And you see I put them next to each other, everything lined up and matched up just as it originally did there. So now to put the guards in, you have to kind of do it while you're reinstalling your tail lights. So the hardware that it comes for, use the existing holes for the 2 tail lights plus an additional bracket that kind of sticks off the side there. It fits into a hole that's already in the truck, and there's a hole that it matches up with obviously on the guard that holds it out and away from the body. So now I'm putting in the 2 inside brackets of the guard. Those use the 2 original screws that hold in the tail lights, and those will go along the inside of the bed there. So now with them installed, my new tail light is fully protected. I will say though, the only thing of concern is those 2 brackets that run alongside the tailgate do get pretty darn close. And I am concerned that over time they might start rubbing off the paint on either side of the gate there. So hopefully your mid-size, reasonably priced truck looks as tough as mine does now with these guards on there, and it protects your taillights from getting shattered by careless errors. Thanks for watching.